Welcome the our channel. Today we how to verify Slack channels with compliance exports, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Slack channels with compliance exports, start by logging into your Slack workspace. Navigate to your workspace settings by clicking on your workspace name in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Administration. Choose Workspace Settings to access the administrative dashboard. Scroll down to the Compliance Exports section. If you don't see this option, ensure you have the necessary permissions as only workspace owners and admins can access it. Click on Review your compliance exports. This will take you to the Compliance Exports dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of export requests if any have been made. To create a new export, click on the Request Data button. Select the desired date range for the data you want to review. Choose the specific channels you wish to verify. This includes public channels as well as private groups if allowed. Submit your request and wait for the export to be processed. You'll receive a notification once the export is ready for download. After receiving the notification, return to the Compliance Exports dashboard. Click on the Download button next to your export request. The data will download as a zip file to your computer. Extract the zip file to reveal the contents. Inside, you'll find a JSON file containing messages and files from the selected channels. Open the file using a compatible viewer or text editor. Review the exported data carefully to ensure it meets your compliance needs. If any discrepancies or issues arise, document them for follow-up. This process helps ensure proper oversight and compliance within your Slack channels. Regularly verify your channels to maintain compliance standards in your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.